everyone and welcome back to my channel So Happy. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you my autumn sewing plans. I am so excited. I love autumn. It is my favourite time of the year ever. It's my birthday, there's leaves, there's hedgehogs, there's cinnamon, I'm in. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of my sewing plans today, and I have all the fabrics already. So these are a good mix between stash busters, things I didn't use last year, dead stock fabrics and a few new fabrics, so I'm very excited, so let's get going. So the first fabric, some of you may remember from last year, this is the most beautiful cotton ever. It's such a beautiful quality. They are little apples with tiny navy leaves, and originally I was going to make this into a sort of sweetheart neckline kind of summer dress, but now reflecting on it, I just don't think this will suit me in terms of an outside outfit. I love the print, I love the colorway, but I just feel like, you know, I'd rather wear another one of my summer dresses instead of this, which means, you know, you've got to change your plan. So I am going to be using this to make Caroline pajamas. I am going to be making the short version, sort of remind me of like really old-fashioned men's pajamas, which I am all about. So yes, I'm going to be making the short version here, and I just think they will look so unbelievably gorgeous. I don't have many pajamas anymore. Basically, my pajamas consist of one really nice pair from Cath Kidston, which I've had for yonks, and then random old faded wearing away Breton tops I've had since I was like 10. So I think it's up to time to up my pajama game because I love pajamas. The next fabric you may again remember from my birthday haul last year, and sadly I have not got around to making it, and it is this beautiful chiffon fabric, and it's got little ladybirds and polka dots on, and this is just so unbelievably gorgeous. I love it, and I can't believe I never got around to making it last year, but that's what these things are for. This is why you have a fabric stash, so you can, you know, if you don't make it that year, you'll make it next year. Either way, it's going to get made, it's fine. But yeah, I absolutely love this fabric. It is beautiful, and I love ladybirds, and I thought this will be perfect to layer under smock dresses and dungarees and things like that, and I just love the colours. They're just so beautiful. I'll be making this fabric in one of these blouses. I think I'm going to make view C, but without the elasticated bottom because that will drive me crazy. But it's this sort of keyhole neckline tie sort of style with the puff sleeves. I just think it will look really cute. So this fabric, I literally was unbelievably excited to find it. I love smock dresses. I love the kind of 60s smock dress look. I just think they're so gorgeous, and I've loved them for years. The first time I saw them like really being like cool was in, I think it's 2006, 2007 when St. Trinian's came out, and I just love the posh totties, how they wear smock dresses, like these really cute Peter Pan collar tops with like big hair, and I'm just like, oh, that's my look. So I absolutely love them, and I made one last year. I'll put a picture here for you of me in a corduroy blue version, and I wore that to death. But the only problem with jumbo corduroy is that it can be very stiff and lamp-like, which is great, but I really wanted a sort of a wool version. I managed to track down this X design of dead stock fabric, but it's just so beautiful, and I picked it up in Classic Textiles, and Classic Textiles stock a lot of X design or dead stock fabric, so I'm really happy with this. So this is going to be such a practical piece that's going to keep me warm, that I could just stick in the washing machine, and I just absolutely love it. And I'm going to layer it with, well, this will actually look really good with it. This will look gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love, oh, that's so nice. I love green and pink. Whoever says that green and pink don't go together, I'm just saying, it looks real cute. So yeah, I'm going to wear it with this, and I already have a few other tops, like really old shop bought tops, and even this will look really cute. If anyone's wondering, this is the Tilly and the Buttons. I think it's the Freya. I made it in this cat print, of course, Halloween kitty cat print fabric, but even that will look really cute underneath, and they're just, oh, I just love things like this. And this is just one of those key pieces that I've been wanting to have in my wardrobe for years. The fabric, again, was such a great find, and it's just going to go with so many things I already own, so I'm not going to have to make anything to go with it. Well, minus the top, but I'm going to make that anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, I absolutely love it, and it just looks so nice. It'll take me year to year, and I'm so excited to make this. So I think this will be the first thing I make. And what's going to be even better about this fabric is that I love gold zips, but they're really hard to find and quite expensive. But I was going through my wardrobe, and I have a really old Kate Spade dress that has gone, like, the only way I could say it is manky. So I took it apart, recycled the fabric, and got the zip from it, and it is a gold bow zip. As you can see, it's really beautiful, and I got that piece on uniform, which was great, so I wore it to death at work, outside of work. I've had it for like years. It came to the end of its time. It was really gross, if you want me to be honest, guys. Like, I literally wore that thing to death. So at least I recycled the fabric, but I rescued the zip. So I thought these two together, like the gold zip at the back. This is the Francois pattern I will be making it in. I will be making the sleeveless version with, I'm not so sure about a tab. I will think about that. I might make one with the scraps and then just see, does it go, does it not? I made it for the corduroy one because luckily there's like, you know, you get some fabric left at the end. So I made the tab just in case. You know what? It didn't really work for me, so we shall see about the tab, but I'm gonna have it sleeveless with no collar and then wear it with my Peter Pan collared shirts underneath, and I think it will look so gorgeous and I'm so excited. So yeah, this probably might be the first thing I make. I just love this dress. And finally, onto the last fabric. This is a fabric I picked up from Sew Me Sunshine. I got it at her pop-up shop she did at the new craft house, and it's so gorgeous. It is a rayon, and it's got these little daisies on and polka dots with red insides on the flowers, which obviously looks great with red nail varnish and lipstick. And I absolutely love prints like this. I used to have dresses like this when I was little and when I was in my early 20s, and for some reason they've all either I've grown out of them or they've disintegrated, and you know, I haven't really got anything like this in my wardrobe anymore. I do have one dress which is navy with big pansies on different colours, but I love navy and white polka dot, and I have nothing in navy and white polka dot. And I keep, you know, when you keep going into your wardrobe and you keep thinking about things you used to have which you no longer have. So basically I'm going to replace all the dresses which I've loved before to all the dresses I've loved before with this one, and I'm going to be making this dress again in our first Selkie pattern. I'm going to make it in this, and it's just going to look so unbelievably cute, and I'm going to do a hack with it as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to make that, and I already know it's going to be the perfect fit for this. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think it'll look really great again with tights, or even in the summer with like red wedges. Perfect. So yeah, and it's nice and breathable as well. So I am so excited to get cracking on with those. I really don't know where to start. Each project I am so unbelievably excited about, and these are all the kind of things that I've been pinning on Pinterest for the past couple of years, and I just think they're really going to add to my wardrobe because, as you guys know, I do not have as much time to sew anymore. So when I do sew, I just really want to make beautiful high quality pieces that are really gonna, you know, add to my wardrobe. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And what are your autumn winter sewing plans? I would love to know in the box down below. Have you also made any of these patterns, and how did you get on with them? Again, I would absolutely love to hear from you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to the Selkie channel for more information on me and Caroline's new business. I will see you all again very soon, and thanks for watching. Thanks, bye.